Hey, what's up and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about seriously impressive tool inside of the Lightroom that you probably never opened or didn't know how to use. We're going to be talking about Calibration tab, which basically provides you with the ability to change and interpret the RGB channels differently inside of the Lightroom on your pictures. I'll be showing you 3 photos for nature and landscape photography for those beautiful nature colors, portrait photo for those beautiful skin tones, and a cityscape photo. Okay, let's jump in. Once you open your photo in a Lightroom, go to Develop, and then on Calibration tab. Right here, we're gonna look at a blue primary slider. All we want to do is take the saturation level and go all the way to the right. I just want to show you the difference that this makes, those rich tones that pop up. Let's take a look. Before and after. I mean, isn't that amazing? Now, let's try to do some red channels. You see the color just popping, emerging. Just don't go too much because it's gonna look fake and it's not gonna look good. So maybe like this and like this. Before, after. Just 2 simple sliders, nothing more. Okay, let's take a look on another photo. This is the photo of my beautiful daughter. On this portrait photo, I'm gonna show you how you can improve the skin tones. It's a bit different than nature photography. First, what you wanna do is go to red primary, change the hue to the right, then go to the blue primary, change the hue to the left, and then you can play with the green primary hue. You see, like so, and then we can add a little bit of saturation and just look at the skin tones before, after, and then you do not want to overdo it, just play around with it. It's such a difference and you get that beautiful tones on the skin with only few sliders. So first we go on a red hue to the right, then we go to the blue hue to the left, then we just fine-tune it with the green hue. And with the red saturation, we just want to see how much color or saturation we want on those skin tones. And I have one more photo for you, just to show you what this one slider does and why it's called the magic slider. Again, we go on a blue primary, we go to saturation, and we boost it to the right. And this difference with only one slider, it's like the glow and the richness in the colors and the way they shift. You cannot get that with other tools here in the Lightroom. And you can control this more with red and green, more colors like so, and you can change the hue of a color if you want. One quick tip: when you boost up saturation in blues, the blue color in your photo will rise. So what you can do is go to HSL and just lower the blue saturation to your liking, and that is basically it. And there you have it, how to use Calibration tab. It's actually quite easy when you know how to move the sliders. Just make sure that you don't go too far. Just play around with them and you'll see that it's not that difficult. If you like this video, please like and subscribe right over here, and see you in the next one. Bye.